What's up, guys? Today is Monday. It means it's Joe's AllStar Monday. You'll see his truck, so you know it's running. It's good and cool in here, so let's take a look, see what he's got. Come on.
How y'all doing? I hope you had a good weekend. For days, I'm getting rained on all over. I keep calling my wife. I goes, "Did you get rain this time? I'm in Savannah. I'm watching rain come through. Go this way. Hitting me for an hour in Savannah. We don't live that far from home." No, not a drop. Not a drop. Sunday, it all come down quick and hard. Let me tell you.
That's all it's done with us is rain. Rain.
You couldn't see out of our windows. It was coming down so hard for a while, but it made up for it. Other than that, we had a great weekend. I hope you did too. I started off a bucket of cash. We have Mr. John Harbaugh. We have two for Mr. John.
All right.
We have Mr. Patrick Spears. We have one for him. He calls me, we were close last week. He says, "What do I got to do to get into that?" I says, "Well, you're about $10 away." I says, "But, you know, we could add a couple of the pocket pry bars." He says, "Oh yeah, I've been wanting a couple of those." I says, "There you go." So I says, "These things, they don't weigh nothing." I says, "It's not going to affect anything in the shipping." And the stuff I shipped last week, I was able to ship pretty cheap. These here, I think it was maybe $5 to $7, depending where it went and what went with it.
Right.
Some super combo scissors went with them. These went with just about everybody's order, one or two of them, and it was a great deal. So,
how many of them twin grips did you sell?
Monday, I sold everything I had to order a couple, and I think I've ordered average about 20 a day.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah, I got this in just to deliver, and I got several more.
So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pair, 14 pair, that's like 15.
And that's what they were able to ship me so far today. And I delivered couple today already.
Cool.
But yes, it was cool. So
I was looking at them. It was nice and long.
I got a long, do that 3D thing, long 1/4 inch, 122, slim head design gear wrench. It is fine. It's if you can just see that.
Yeah, it's fine too.
I got them for like $45.
Okay. That's not bad.
We're talking long.
Yeah, it's long. I don't know how long it is, but it's long.
Well, you know.
Look at you, you
That's
got
the
a tape
thing.
measure.
That's the thing. We have Milwaukee. And we like saying, nothing but heavy duty, we say Milwaukee, you know. But we'll go 9 inches.
Yeah, that's a good one.
We got to do this all over again.
That's
we have
right.
a long... like we're fishing, you know. We got the fishing story.
That's going to be at least 18 inches there.
3/8 slim head, still 122. And they're slim. They're slimmer this way, and then they're slim this way.
Right.
Get in tight places. Nice long handle, solid. At these $75.
Okay. How long is that one?
You know,
it's long.
good thing we got this Milwaukee, and we already hit the sign. So we have.
Oh, what did I say?
18 inches.
Look at there.
I like these bad boys.
Yep.
So,
It's a good long
$75.
ones. Break them and replace them, no big deal.
That's right. Power Probe micro torch.
Yep. Those are handy.
And You know, when they say when you do fireworks, be safe, there's nothing safer than something that lights it off right off the first time. You don't have to guess or wait, but these are them. So, you fill them up with butane, you can refill them. They have the nice base, even though without the base, they will stand.
Yep.
But they have the nice base. Flip the safety switch, turn it where you want, hit it, but you know, they don't ship with butane.
Right.
$60 on these.
Okay.
Power Pro micro torch.
Yeah, those are nice. Nice.
Set them up as high as 1250 degrees centigrade.
Right.
And what was that, 2400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah, I just use mine for heat shrink.
They're perfect for that. They're perfect for that. And then we got the Milwaukee soldering gun.
Yep.
Now, if you do a bunch of soldering, M12 works with all the batteries. 18 seconds, you're ready to solder. It's not like, oh, you get stuff ready, oh, I gotta grab my solder gun, plug it in,
Right.
and sit there and fiddle and wait and wait and wait. Gives you a light, tells you when it's ready to go.
Yep. And it tells you when it's cool enough to put back in your box.
Yes.
Which is cool.
I was gonna get there.
It's cool.
It tells you.
Cool and it's cool.
It tells you when it's, gives you the cool light when it tells you when it's cool enough to put away.
That's it.
Of course, it's got the 5-year warranty. Got these for $145.
Okay.
Max temperature 750. I think on a 2.0 battery, I think that's what they're going by, 45 minutes if you're just straight on running.
Yeah.
That's a lot of soldering.
I know I've used mine for a good long while before it run out.
If you're,
You know, they make the bigger batteries, you know, I think you got them, it's got the bigger base on them.
yeah.
And that would probably be the smarter thing, because the only negative thing I had to say about this one is it would fall over a lot of times.
And you got the hot tip.
Yep.
So
that wider base, was it like a 6.0 battery or something?
oh, well,
you know,
there's everything from a.
Yeah, this one's about like that.
Let's see. I got the 3 O's, 4 O's, and the 6 O's being the big one.
Yeah.
And I say so far today being the biggest one they make, because it's been a while. They'll come out with one that packs more punch, more run time.
It'll be soon where you have to have a backpack to tote the battery around.
Well, it's like the what they're doing with the 8s and that. They're making them more run time but more compact.
Yeah.
So
battery technology's come a long way from the old school. Like I remember when they first come out, the 12 volt, like the old DeWalt drills, they was huge, you know. And now they got a little bitty tiny 12 volts.
Well,
they run longer.
Milwaukee's engineers don't seem to sleep, so they're fed energy drink or something intravenously, and they're constantly working because they're constantly coming up with stuff. So.
That's kind of like cars, you know, like, remember when they first come out? Well, I remember the first battery golf cart I ever seen. You know, the batteries were huge in that thing, and they didn't run long, you know, and they was dead.
No.
And then now they got cars that can drive 600 miles on one charge.
Yeah, on one battery.
And that's running the air conditioner and radio and everything, so pretty cool. Pretty cool.
A bunch of these, just simple heavy-duty circuit tester. 2.8, 27,000. I thought they were like maybe $15.
Okay.
They got the heavy-duty cord. I think you did that pull test on them, and
they're strong.
They hold up pretty good. They last. They hold up. They're just good.
I think Power Probe has really hurt a lot of those now, you know, because now everybody's like, shoot,
Yeah.
I'll just get a power probe.
Yep, I can supply power, supply
Or
ground, and
it tells me which is which if I ain't got a clue.
Yep.
I mean, it's nice. So
oh yeah.
I love a power probe.
Yep. Some people just want a simple test light.
Yeah. That's
So,
true.
anything you need, give me a call, give me a text.
There you go.
Oh wait, I know my number. Okay.
All right. Let's see if you remember
I've
it.
been practicing this all week.
Well, see, I have to translate it.
You do.
Like, yeah,
into
we
English?
may have to do it two ways. Like, all the people above the Mason-Dixon line will be able to understand you, but everybody south of the Mason-Dixon line are going to be like, what did he say?
Oh.
What did he say?
So, 731-412-7295.
I'll put that in text.
There
that
we
way
go.
you southern
There we
folks
go.
can still understand it. All right, guys, like always, let Joe know if he needs anything. His number's there. You know, can't understand him. It's in text. Surely you can read. So, like always, guys, thanks for hanging out with us on a Monday. It's Monday and it's almost over. Time you watch this, it will be over.
Oh no,
Thank goodness.
you don't quit that early.
Like always, guys, if y'all like the video, hit that thumbs up. Check over here for merchandise, cool tools, and discount codes in the description. We got the Nepros USA seller link in there for Amazon. So if you want some Nepros tools, all of them's down in there. Just look for it. And if you're not subscribed, take your finger and click that button. You guys have a great week, and we will catch you later. See ya.